Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a topic that's reshaping industries everywhere: artificial intelligence, or AI for short. What is it, and why should it matter to you as an insurance professional? Let's dive in. AI is a branch of technology that enables machines to think, learn, and solve problems, much like humans. However, unlike us, AI can analyze enormous amounts of information in seconds, making it an incredibly powerful tool for businesses. Think of AI as your smartest assistant, ready to help you at any moment. So, how does AI actually work? That's a great question. AI uses algorithms, which are like step-by-step instructions for solving problems. These algorithms are trained on data like customer information, business statistics, or even past claims to help the system make better decisions over time. It's like practice makes perfect, but for computers. In insurance, AI can take on tasks that used to take hours. For example, it can identify the best carriers for a client's specific needs, analyze risks by spotting trends and patterns in data, answer client questions quickly and accurately. Now, let's address a big concern. Is AI here to replace your job? Absolutely not. AI is more like a powerful tool. It doesn't take away the work you do. It makes the work faster, easier, and more precise. You're still the expert who builds relationships, guides clients, and makes the final call. AI just gives you the tools to excel. So why should you embrace AI? The insurance industry is evolving rapidly. Clients expect faster service, better recommendations, and tailored solutions. AI can help you meet these expectations and stand out in a competitive marketplace. It's not about replacing what you do. It's about amplifying what you do. That wraps up our introduction to AI. Remember, AI isn't something to fear. It's a tool to help you succeed in a changing industry. If you found this helpful, don't forget, like this video and subscribe for more content like this. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you want to learn more about how our company, Linqura, is helping commercial insurance agents, brokers, MGAs, and carriers tap into the AI competitive advantage, visit Linqura.com today. We'll see you next time.